up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. I got a cool Survivor here today. 1971 Mercury Cyclone. This is an all-documented Survivor. I bought this off the second owner who bought it from the original owner. I have every single window sticker. I got all the manuals when it was new. I got full Marty report. I got the build sheet on it. Pretty much everything. Mostly original car. Matching engine, transmission, just a cool car. We're gonna do a full walkthrough of the vehicle. But before we do that, please hit the subscribe button if you want to see all of our classic cars as we get them in. And as me and Chris go out and chase classic cars, you guys can see our videos. So please subscribe right now. So this one's special, guys. We're going to go over the good, the bad, if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. We ship all over the US and worldwide. We can get it to your doorstep. 1971 Mercury Cyclone. Background on this car was I bought this from one of my clients who bought it from the original owner. I was told the original owner was a German guy that immigrated to the US and he bought this brand new. And if you see the paperwork, it all matches up. We got the original window sticker, build sheet, all the goodies on it. It's one of 440 according to the Marty report. It's got a 350 automatic transmission. Factory AC car. It's just a solid car. We'll start off on the driver's side fender. Fender's got a little imperfections here. One little one there. Little one there, little one there. The paint, I would say, is probably like a 7 out of 10. It looks like original paint. I was told that the top part of the car was painted, it was blended in, but the sides are all original. It's mostly an original paint car, but you can definitely tell that this car has been painted a long time ago. A little bit of dirt right here, a little flaw into here. Tires are pretty much new. Got radial, original Mercury hubcap. Spent its life in Georgia, so you got no rust on this car, no rust on the undercarriage. It was always garage kept, which I will show you. Pretty cool front end. Hood's in good condition. It sits very well. The gaps are pretty even. Bit of flaws here on this fender. I would probably say give it a nice buff, but I don't know. Car looks good. I definitely wouldn't cut the paint because I'm not sure how much paint's left on it. A little chip there, chip there. This is all in good shape. Chrome looks good. A little bit of chips here from rocks kicking up. The black part will clean up. That's just dirt. Body line's nice and straight. We'll give it the door test. That shuts really good. It's a beautiful orange color. Door jambs look good. Yeah, door shut awesome. Going here to the passenger side quarter. I don't see any body work on it, no waves, no Bondo, nothing like that. Body line's really straight on this car. Rear tires in almost new shape. Little flaw here in the chrome, but the quarter's in good shape. I don't see really any flaws on it. It's not going to be a long review, guys. This car doesn't have really any bad or any ugly. It's a really solid survivor. Nice looking car. All this is clean. You got a little starting right there. Imperfection in the paint. And these cars are super rare too. You can kind of see the original sticker here. It looks like it fell off. Got a little imperfection here. The trunk sits real nice. Gaps are good. So just a nice straight car, guys. Glass is intact, no cracks. This is not your typical, you know, just daily driver classic car. This is a nice collector piece because it's mostly original. You got all the documentation from the original owner. This is a nice car to put in your garage and just enjoy and just gain value. A couple little imperfections here in the paint. The rest of the quarter's good. Real nice and straight. Little imperfection here in the paint, but you can see that body line real nice. The paint shines good. This quarter's in good shape. I don't see zero Bondo at all. Door sits nice. We'll try our door test on here. Yeah, closes perfect. Door jambs are nice. Also got the original tag here from Ford. Then we're back here. So overall, it's a nice, cool Survivor. Take you guys under the car. And underneath is just better than on top. No undercarriage spray. It's all original. You can tell this one was definitely kept good. There's your rear end. Frame rails are all nice. Trunk is in good shape. Just the way we like to see it. Got the stamping on it. Back here stamping. Car looks like it was never hit before. Definitely a nice one, guys. Wish I can get more like this. It's a pretty cool, unusual car. Get your 351 AC, power steering, power brakes, fully option car, and you got your original tag here. It all appears original. See if we can fire it up. One thing I will say, the AC blows, but it doesn't blow cold. It's gonna need to be recharged. starts right up. So you got the original fender support, original AC sticker, original fenders, got the stamps on them. It's a really highly original car. Oh, and the inside door panel's in nice shape. Bench seat is nice. Headliner's nice. A rear seat is nice. Dash pad's nice. Horn works. Left turn signal works. Right turn signal works. Windshield wipers work. Lights work. It's a very, very nice solid car. I don't think the radio works. Looks like the original radio, but that does not work. And that turns on, but it doesn't blow real cold. It's cool, but it needs to be either freon or looked at or serviced. We're showing 13,523 miles. Gas gauge is showing. All right, we'll go get Chris and let's go for a drive. All right, guys, looks like we're taking this test drive alone, so I'll do my best for you guys. Oh, put it in drive. We're out of here. Power steering feels very good. Brakes feel very well. Looks like speedometer is working correctly. Holding the road well, just driving pretty straight. Hands off the steering wheel. This ain't gonna win no races, but I'll tell you what, this is a perfect cruiser. Perfect, well-preserved cruiser. I can imagine in the 70s, this is exactly how it drove. That's why guys fell in love with cars like this, because This is not like today's technology. It's quite the experience. But definitely pleased with the performance of this. All the gear shifted very well. It's very nice and smooth. Steering wheel's good. Brakes are good. I usually don't say cars are perfect, but guys, this is a perfect car for what it is. It having a low owner, all paperwork since new, drives great, mostly original. I'm very, very pleased with this car, guys. If you're interested in it, please give me a call or go on my website, bobevansclassics.com. It will be up for sale today. Or you can call me directly, 215-801-9493. I appreciate you guys checking out our page, checking out the car with me. Very pleased by this car. This is a perfect survivor. It drives great. It's got power. It's clean, no rust on it. It's mostly original, all documentation. Very hard to come by. I don't find them too much in this shape, this nice, being original. Holds the bumps good. It's a real solid car. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you checking us out. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to see all of our new inventory as we get it in. Thank you for following my page.